Hello friend, I hope you have watched my previous tutorial, and in this tutorial I am with a question which is from thermodynamics and based on concept of entropy. I want you to note down this problem because it have asked in GATE 2014 and it is a very easy problem. So let's understand what is given in the question and what you have to find. There is a two identical block L and M which have a specific heat 0.4 kilojoule per kg Kelvin and each having mass of 5 kg, and both are initially at 313 Kelvin, and there is a reversible refrigerator which extract heat from block L and reject it to block M until the temperature of block L reach to 293 Kelvin, and we have to find final temperature of block M after the temperature of block L reaches to 293 Kelvin. So let's make it more clear with a figure. Here R is a refrigerator which extract Q1 amount of heat from block L and reject Q2 amount of heat to block M, and temperature of block L changes from T1 to T2 and temperature of block M changes from T1 to Tf, and this refrigerator work until the temperature of block L reaches to T2, which value is given in the question, which is equal to 293 Kelvin. So I hope you have understand till now and keep watching till the end. At the end you will definitely able to solve this problem with very ease. Now let's go for the solution. Here suppose Tf is final temperature of block M and a specific heat of block 0.0 kilojoule per kg Kelvin, and mass of each block is 5 kg and initial temperature of both block is 313 Kelvin and final temperature of block L is 293 Kelvin. These all values are given in the question, and we know friend the change in entropy of the universe is equal to sum of change in entropy of the system 1 and system 2, and here system first is block L and system second is block M, and formula of change in entropy is equal to mc ln final temperature divided by initial temperature. Here final temperature of block L is T2 and initial temperature is T1, and for block M final temperature is Tf and initial temperature is T1, and here value of mass and a specific heat is same for both, so it is equal to mc into ln T2 into Tf divided by T1 square, and it is written by using the formula of ln A plus ln B, which is equal to ln A into B. Since refrigerator given in the question is a reversible and change in entropy of the universe for reversible refrigerator is equal to 0, and for irreversible the change in entropy of the universe is greater than 0. Remember this point, and here mc into ln T2 into Tf divided by T1 square is equal to 0, and we know friend ln of 1 is equal to 0, so it is replaced by ln 1, and now T2 into Tf divided by T1 square is equal to 1, and from here Tf is equal to T1 square divided by T2, and the value of T1 and T2 is known, so by putting this value we are getting the final temperature of block M, which is equal to 334.36 Kelvin, which is our final answer. So friend, I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any doubt or query related to this, then feel free to ask in comment section. We try to solve as quick as possible. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a good day.